plans are known for their distinctive architectural style that emerged in the early 20th century in the United States. These homes are characterized by their cozy and inviting design, typically featuring the following elements. Low-pitched roof. Craftsman bungalows often have a low-pitched, gabled roof with wide overhanging eaves supported by decorative brackets. The roof may also have exposed rafters. Wide front porch. These homes frequently feature a wide, welcoming front porch, often with square or tapered columns and stone or brick pedestals. Dormer windows. Craftsman bungalows may include dormer windows on the roof to provide additional light and architectural interest. Exposed rafters and beams. Exposed structural elements, such as rafters and ceiling beams, are a common feature in the interior of a Craftsman bungalow. Open floor plans. These homes often have open, flowing floor plans that connect the living, dining, and kitchen areas. This design promotes a sense of space and unity. Built-in furniture. Craftsman-style homes may have built-in features like bookcases, benches, and cabinets, often with intricate woodwork. Wood details. Wood is a predominant material in Craftsman bungalows, with natural wood finishes on doors, trim, and other architectural elements. Oak and other dark woods are commonly used. Stacked stone accents. Exterior stone elements, such as decorative chimney stacks or bases, are often seen in Craftsman bungalow designs. Earthy colors. The color palette is typically earthy, featuring muted tones like greens, browns, and warm shades of red and yellow. Multi-pane windows. Craftsman homes often have multi-pane, double-hung windows with divided lights in the upper sash and a single pane in the lower sash. If you're interested in finding Craftsman bungalow house plans, you can consider the following steps. Search online. There are numerous websites that offer house plans, including Craftsman bungalow designs. Websites like houseplans.com, Architectural Designs, and others provide a wide selection of house plans to choose from. Visit local architects. You can also contact local architects or home designers who specialize in Craftsman-style homes. They may have existing plans or be able to create a custom design based on your preferences. Home design books. Visit your local library or bookstore for books and magazines on home design and architecture. You might find plans, inspiration,